This is our app named Bakorkhani. This is a location-based event reminder app which will help you to remind your to-do in a specific location at a specific time. To make this app functionable, you have to allow permission to your precise and background location, which is mandatory for this app to create geofence events which will notify your important events based on your location and time. Next, you have to allow permission to pop up the event notification with display, ringtone and vibration, which will be very helpful for the user. You may have to allow permission for notification message according to your OS version. After successful permission, you have to log in to access the homepage. If you are not a registered user, then you need to register as a new user. After successful registration, you need to log in to access the homepage. In Homepage, you will find a map view with Add Event button and a saved location list where your saved event list will appear. Here you need to turn on your location service to perform the app functionality. By clicking the Add Event button, you will be redirected to the Set Location screen from where you will set your location with radius. These radius area will trigger your event notification according to your position. After saving the location, you will be navigated to the Details page for saving the event. Here you will see some fields where you need to fill up to save the event. First, there is a map view where you have saved your location. You can update it again by clicking the map view. Next is Event Title, Notes, Event Type where you can write or choose your necessary data. Next is Alert Type, which is you need to choose what type of alert you need to receive. Then you need to choose Alert when your alert will be triggered when you cross the location radius. Then there is a Repeat type of alarm, that means when your alarm will be triggered. Is it for one time or every time when you crossed the location radius? You can also do a custom repetition like setting date range or time range or both, which will trigger the alarm in that specific date and time range. For seeing the next step, I am giving the repetition for every time. After giving the proper details of the event, you will save the event. By saving the event, after some time you can see a notification pop up on the screen. This is the screen which will notify you when you will reach your destination. By clicking the Stop button, you can dismiss the alarm. This app does not share your location with others. We are not storing your location anywhere. We just need your location to save the event for your device only. All data we collected is not shared with anyone, just to manage your profile. Thank you for using this app.